Okay guys, what I'm going to do here is show you a quick video on how I remove excess solder. I put a little too much on this motor bracket. I just soldered up the corners of it because it had kind of a lot of flex. So um, basically the easy way I do this is use some old, this is actually 132 braid, but 124 will work as well. You can get braid for this purpose as well. It comes in a reel. But then what you're going to want to do is, this is my Lucky Bob's acid flux, and what I do is actually just flux up this piece of wire, or this braid I mean, and then just go ahead and clean your soldering iron and heat up this solder through the braid like so. You'll see it. You want to do this in a ventilated area, of course. And we'll see if I have enough heat in this iron here. But what you do is just basically heat up the braid, and if I can get it to come off here, it'll basically soak up the solder like so and leave you a real clean joint on the chassis. So I didn't unsolder anything that I wanted to leave soldered, I just took off the excess. So anyway, pretty slick little trick to make cleaning up a solder joint on your chassis if you happen to get too much. So not something to be worried about. It's pretty easy to clean up. Again, you just need some old braid, or they make desoldering braid that comes in a reel. Um, Good flux will help you a lot. And then if you're doing it on the plates here where it's real thick, you probably end up having to heat it up with a torch as opposed to an iron like I just used. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Hopefully you learned something.